Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atiana Renee. I have this hair for almost a year. Like, it's so crazy. Anyway, so I'm doing this get ready with me. I have to go run a few errands. I'm gonna go meet up with my friends and I'm gonna, do all that girly stuff. And then I'm also going out tonight, so I have to do this in a rush. But make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and come back because you know your girl's trying to be better with posting. Yeah, I'm trying. Okay, so enjoy this video and hit that like button. Thumbs it up. Thumbs it up.
All up in his face. Did I catch a case? Pussy gang just caught a body, but I never leave a trace. Face is pretty as for days. I get chips, I ask for lace. I just sit back and when he done, I be like, yo, how'd it taste? Yo, how'd it taste?
I really want a friend.
So going in with this Morphe 39A palette, and I finally found tape and I taped the top piece up. So these are the crease shades right here, and we are going in with Define Me with a Morphe brush. And we're just gonna put that all over the crease. So I have on my sister's shirt. That's in here. Because your girl wanted it. Your girl wanted to be great. I don't know if this is going to be get ready with me or not. It might as well be because I have somewhere to go. So that's where we're going to cool this. So next we're going to get the color Forever. And going in with my Morphe E22 brush. I love this brush so much. And we're gonna focus most of the pigment in like a circular motion and the outer corner, and then bring the rest over, but don't bring it to the inner corner as much. And the only annoying thing is blending takes forever. So next we're gonna go in with the color Artistic, and I'm gonna try my hardest, y'all. We're gonna get this color on the lid area. That works better than it did on this side. But yeah, you guys, I'm trying to revamp my makeup room and do better things as far as makeup goes. Well, not makeup, but just my beauty room, because I was really into sewing at one point when I was younger, and then my grandmother passed away, and then I just haven't been into it, and that was years ago. So I think I'm gonna get in a better space where I can do stuff with that. Next we're gonna go in, you can either go with the color Kiss or Cut Face, and we're just gonna mix those two together and get it in the outer corner. I'm just blending those two colors together. I don't want any harsh, crazy lines. Okay. We're going in with the NYX Total Drop Foundation, and also mix that in with the Fenty Beauty foundation. The either foundation is that bad on its own. It's just sometimes the Fenty Beauty one is too matte for my skin. I honestly never really put foundation on my forehead. Like, you guys might think I do, but I don't really. It's very rare that I do. I think in my other video I did it, but usually I do. I don't know why. I just don't. So next we're going in with the Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. And let me spread that out. Some people don't spread the concealer out all the way like I do. I tried only keeping it in like one corner, but when I'm done blending, it doesn't look right. So with concealer, you just have to figure out what method is good for you and what's not. So just blending it in. Make sure your face is not like totally wet when you're doing this. I said totally wet. Why did I say that? Let me hope. Totally wet. Oh my gosh. Let's make sure your face is not drenched, because then it will not blend in very well and it'll look crazy. Next, we're going in with the Fit Me foundation. Not foundation. Setting powder. I'm tripping. Ooh, why am I tripping today? But yeah. So I can't wait to have my makeup room the way that I want it to be. I just don't know exactly what I want and how I want it. That's the only thing that's like stopping like my process from being great.
I just wanna break up all your shit. Call your mama phone, let her know that she raised the then dial tone click. And your little fake ass friends coming around acting like they my bros. I see y'all little group text where y'all all like to brag about your and you can tell your little I screenshotted all her naked pics. Or you wanna send news to my man? Wake up and see your boobs on the gram. No, I cannot stand you. 3, 2, 1, level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Them no mistakes are gone, I won't do them no more. That's old news, that's news. I done did that before. I turn nothing to something. My comeback on 100. Let's talk it, more action. You just gon' see coming. I just keep elevating. No loss, it's just a break.
So I did most of my makeup, put my wig on, changed my clothes, and everything off camera. And that's because every time I'm recording, y'all, people love calling my phone. And then I forget that I'm even recording the YouTube video, and I'm just talking away in the phone. And yeah, so I'm taking this and I'm putting this in the lower lash line. Let me do that on the other side. You know what's crazy? When I'm not doing anything, nobody calls my phone. Nobody. Well, they do, but it's not as frequent where I'm recording. So that concludes this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And there's our assistant. But thank you for watching. I'm gonna record a more dramatic look soon. I don't have much time today because I'm getting ready and I'm about to go, and I literally gotta leave out the house in less than 5 minutes. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment like I said before, and see you soon.